Hello everyone, welcome to Mock Race. Today we're gonna do a few more questions of Grok 2. So it's our third class. So let's see first question. The first question is a 2.5-year-old child is ill for the second day. The onset of the disease was associated with the temperature up to 37.8, a single bout of vomiting, a watery diarrhea up to 5 times per day. During the second vomiting occurred twice. Body temperature is 38.0 degrees Celsius. The child has low appetite. Watery diarrhea continues. The treatment of the child should be with the following. Here the person is having watery diarrhea. So the person is having cholera. So in this we will prescribe the patient oral rehydration. Oral rehydration solution. We prescribe ORS because the patient has lost a lot of fluids, because the patient is having watery diarrhea, and with this the patient lost many minerals, salts. So to recover this we prescribe oral rehydration solution. Let's see our second question. A 37-year-old woman received an occupational trauma that resulted in a severe vision impairment. Now she needs to be trained for another occupation. What type of rehabilitation should be doctor choose for the patient in this case? So the patient was having vision impairment because of occupational trauma. So here the patient need occupational rehabilitation because the vision impairment was due to its occupation. Let's move to our third question. Children from a certain township presents with brittle teeth, malocclusion, dental enamel erosion, and dental pigmentation that looked like yellow-brown spots. What is the likely cause of the presentation? So here we see that the patient is having yellow-brown spots and brittle teeth, dental enamel erosions. So what does it? It is due to high level of fluorine in water. Why? Why? Because whenever we see the normal fluorine, fluoride level equals to 0.7 to 1.2 ppm, as it prevents dental caries. So if the level exceeds from 1.2, like 1.5 to 3 ppm, then it's mild dental fluorosis. If this level is 3 to 8 ppm, then it's severe dental fluorosis. Symptoms are white spots, brittle teeth, loosening of teeth, So whenever you see white spots, brittle teeth, loosening of teeth, and the level of fluorine is more than this, then it is high level of fluorine water. Let's move to next question. A 28-year-old man, a teacher, after an emotional stress developed painful muscle spasm in the right hand that occurred during writing. Now he has to hold the pen between the second and the third finger. He has no problem with typing or writing on the blackboard. No other motor disturbance or neurological pathologies are detected. What is the most likely diagnosis? So here, see that the patient is having muscle spasm in the right hand that occur during writing. So the person is having a writer's cramp because of long period of writing. The patient is having this writer's cramp. So you can do this by this word writing, writer's cramp. Let's move to next question. A 55-year-old woman came to a gynecologist with complaints of leukorrhea and bloody discharge from the vagina after 5 years of menopause. Anamnesis states no pregnancy. By manual examination, the uterus and uterine appendages are without changes. During diagnostic curettage of the uterine cavity, the physician scraped off a sample of encephaloid matter. What is the most likely diagnosis in this case? So, the patient is having 55-year-old. The patient is a menopausal stage. Patient is in menopausal stage. Here it is written that menopause. After 5 years of menopause, the patient is having bloody discharge. So whenever you see bloody discharge after menopause, you can diagnose the patient with uterine carcinoma or endometrial carcinoma. In almost all the questions, 99% question, it is uterine carcinoma or endometrial carcinoma. Whenever you see the patient is in menopausal stage with bloody discharge after menopause. But like a few questions having cervical carcinoma, in that there will be some fluid discharge or something related to cervical will be given in the question. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe channel for more updates. And if you have any question that you want to see in our next video, please write that question in comment box so that we will cover that in next video. Thank you.